Well, my good morning, Gloucester folks. You know it, I'm out here and it is awesome. That is some good weather right there. So that's how it looks out here on Kilby Street in Gloucester, up on top of this hill. You can look straight down at the bay from here. There's a look at some drifts over there at the neighbors. And just an awesome wind right now. Unbelievable wind. So nobody's coming up this road. I'm gonna have to go meet my buddy Brian down the bottom of the hill. Oh, it's getting deep. Just stepped through about a foot. Wow. Complete whiteout right there. Let's spin around and see. That's just straight nasty right there. Oh yeah, it's getting deep. I'm not pushing all the way through. Wow, it's just, I'm glad I didn't keep trying it because they basically bulldozed a big berm here. Unreal. Look at that, I gotta walk around this. And there's the road about 2 feet down at the bottom. Here we go. That looks slippery. I got spikes on, but I gotta be careful. There's a neighbor's car that's completely surrounded by a stadium of snow. Nice sized drifts. Here comes some plow crews. Hopefully they are coming up this street because we need it. Here they come. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. See if maybe they'll stop and talk to me here. What's going on, fellas? I got some of the Bengals' finest. How is it?
How's it going out there?
Huge snow drifts.
This is it. This is the
It's absolutely horrible.
Look, take a look at it. You don't need us to tell you.
What's that?
This is hell.
There you go. Basically, the Bengal brothers are saying it's hell. It really is. There's like a mountain of snow up in the middle of my street up here. We're going to see if they're going to attempt to get through it or not. Hey, thanks for doing what you guys do, man.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks for.
I don't know if you're going to get through there. Let's see. All right, we're going to see what happens here. They're going to make an attempt at it. My bets are going to push it this for about 5 seconds and say nope. Is that a no-go? What's that?
We do both those roads up there, but if that's been abandoned. That's the end of the road.
That's the end of the road in front of my house. Go figure. That's a sign. Stay home. Right on, brother. Thanks. Well, there you have it. One of the local crews, the Bengal brothers. They got a lot of trucks out here and a lot of brothers, actually. They pulling the plug on it. They won't even come down my street. And apparently the wind is picking up and more snow is already hitting Boston, which means it's coming up here to Cape Ann. All right, stay tuned. Good times from Gloucester. My road has been abandoned. I think I'm gonna walk backwards. That stings. That stings. Woo! Shazam. Let's get it moving.